Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Louie.
Hello.
So,
We're at that waterfall.
what waterfall?
I don't know how to say it. It's too much of a long word. The main waterfall in Bali, basically.
So here we go. Tegenungan waterfall. It's a nice sunny day here in Bali. It's a well good view. So, Louie, here we are at Tegenungan waterfall.
Yeah, look at how big the leaves are.
They're pretty cool. Oh, the world is watching and waiting. Oh, what is she attempting? What is this attempt? What are you doing? What are you going? What the? That was close. Well, what do you reckon it all means though?
I don't know.
That is cool. Do you know what it reminds me of? Something out of like the Blair Witch Project.
Do you know what it reminds me of?
What?
You know, Moana, when they go to the top and it's just like, you will place your flat here.
Oh
Like
yeah.
that.
That's the secret stone on top. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, it just reminds me of something out of like Blair Witch or something. Cool, isn't it? Yeah, what's that? Just take a picture.
Hey, no.
Leave it.
Come on, then.
What's that? The light's weird.
You did this last time in Australia.
Yeah.
Come on. Please. You are not taking a picture.
I am taking a picture.
Quick then. Okay, you look.
Wow. That is so cool. Wow, look how big they are though.
I love it.
honest, I don't ever
Hello.
want to be very
Whoa, isn't it? So we talk about health and safety, we talk about waterfalls, we talk about, you know, no people allowed on the edge of a cliff, but then we've got this one, Law Page. The only one crazy enough to stand on top of a cliff and act like it's just a casual day in UK. I do not know where this girl has come from, but I know what courage she has. She has traveled the land to murder, and she'll save us all. Look at her go, cool as a cucumber, calm as a cat. I've seen her in her limit down to these very last days. This girl has seen it all. She's been through battle beyond belief. But now she stands above her tower block, the one and only Lone Wolf. Lone Wolf the Brave. I shall stand above this rock and say what I like. So we're heading all the way back up there now. 165 steps. Let's do this. How many are you on?
83.
83. And how do you feel about it so far?
Oh, good.
Yep. Definitely feeling this shit. I'm definitely feeling it.